2023-24 value pack. Picked it up from Gamestop, last one, and the guy said they just found it in the back. So you know what? I got it for $9.89. Let's take a chance. See who we get. I bought, I think, 1 or 2 plastic boxes. Maybe that good, so hopefully it changes in this one. Jalen Brown, Minute, Jones, Westbrook, Holmes, Clarkson, Covington. Alright, so it looks like the first rookie is starting now. Hold on. I see some color here. We'll start here. I see color in the back there, so. Harford, Anthony Edwards, Beverly, Watson. We got Bruce Brown, Bain, Tucker, Kevin Durant, Anthony Black, rookie, and NBA Hoops, Giannis, along with Leonard Miller. Alright, let's take a look and see. Emoni Bates, Brandon Miller, Noah Clowney, Andrew Wiggins, Jalen Duren. We got a color. Nicola, can't pronounce that name. Pure Players. Luca. And then we have arriving now, Ryan Rupert. Well, no Wemby.